What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE. And guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and watching the video till the end, and also hit the like button. Guys, I'm really privileged to be here in the village today. And yes, guys, I was traveling, and I came home yesterday, I think at 10, and I'm here, guys. Yeah, this is our beautiful place. From this place, guys, you can see here. Yeah, this is where I'm coming from. And I'm raised and born in Nyabohansi, and I'm really happy to be in this place because people here are very humble. People here are very genuine, and people here are very willing to help. And I'm so happy to be born and raised here. And guys, it's about 5, yeah, 6 p.m. yeah, here in our village. 6 p.m.
Is it 5:50? It's almost 6.
Yeah guys, 5:50 p.m. here in our village. Yeah, almost 6. And the view is very good here, guys, and I really like this place because it's very cool. And you know, a lot of people like cool places, quiet places, and from my end you can hear it's very quiet and very like calm. Yeah, I'm coming live from Nasto's place, and also Bushman dude here, and also my Yugno is down there, as you can see from this place, guys. So I'm very humbled to be here, and I'm so happy to meet one of my brothers. And I feel so good to meet him because we have been with him, not even on YouTube, but also in hustling time when we were back then, like 20 something, 2010 or whatever, in Mombasa. So this guy has, we have been hustling with him. We have like, yeah, we have been there hustling before we came to YouTube. And he's also my cousin and also my brother. And yeah, and I'm really humble because like he's so accommodative, and also is also respectful man, of course. Yeah, and that is the key to maybe success. I really believe in myself, and I believe maybe my success will come later. God's time is the best. So if your time comes, that is God's time, and that is the best. So
what do you call success? What do you call success?
I call success success comes
successful because at least you have something you're doing, and
yeah,
it's successful. How
yeah.
long have we been hustling, and even you don't have a job to give even 10 bob?
Mm.
Eh,
Yeah, true. Yeah, okay, you know me.
yeah,
From childhood,
Yeah.
we have been struggling, hustling, and all that before even YouTube. Yeah, so guys, this is Bushman.
yes.
Dude.
I've started introducing myself before even you finish.
Yes.
People will be waiting like, who is that?
Yeah.
Is he talking about?
Yeah, he has a very tight schedule.
Yeah.
And that's why he's rushing.
Yes.
So I just wanted to say hi to him and say, yeah, come meet this guy, because this time is a hard time, but we are there.
We are together.
We are together, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe now you can introduce yourself.
Yes, guys, thank you so much. I don't know why I'm seeing is it not showing clearly?
It's showing, yeah.
Thank you so much. This is the Bushman dude, and if this is the first time you're watching this channel, please consider subscribe. And also, they also say that hit that notification.
Yeah.
In case of maybe upload a video, you can.
Yeah.
You can. This is my channel.
Yeah.
It's called Bushman dude.
Yes.
Yes, and also without forgetting, I have to introduce also my babe.
Yes.
Also, my babe have a channel. This Gabby. I know these people know.
Gabby. Yeah.
Knows
Of
them
course.
because
I've been here.
We also have subscribers. He's at 1,000 and he's trying.
Yeah.
1,000.
Not trying. Hey,
Yes,
getting to 1,000 is very.
Yeah. So let's push because my channel is kinda have some issues, but go subscribe to the Bushman Dude and also Gabby verse 4, and we really appreciate that. And because we are here to support each other, and I know he came here to give me a shout out also to want also me to have
Okay, okay, let's
subscriber.
do this, Bushman Dude. This is my cousin.
Yeah.
And also when I came yesterday very early in the morning, I came at 10, and I came here to see you guys because you guys are really like going through something. And you guys, if you haven't seen, Bushman Dude has
A funeral.
Sorry to say this, he has lost her mother, and that is very, very much painful. And
Thank you.
I'm really sorry for you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, everything happens for a reason, and everything is going to be well. So
yes,
yeah, we always there for you.
Yeah,
you know.
Thank you.
We're always there for you.
Yeah, that's
bro.
what matters.
Yeah, that is what matters.
Yeah.
And you never know.
You never know.
You never know tomorrow. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we live to see tomorrow.
To see tomorrow. Tomorrow,
Yes.
yeah, tomorrow we'll see tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah,
And
exactly.
we appreciate so much, and even today, you know, being us together. Imagine if maybe I died yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, you know the good thing, like when you have friends and you have family, you have cousins who are your friends, you can have you can have like brothers or cousins who you're not friends with.
You're not friends, yeah. Like mostly, me and you are really good friends.
Yeah.
Even more than like brother.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
good friends. Like I can come and confront you and tell you this and this because I
Hey,
don't
bro,
feel like
this
is my brother. Or you can come and tell me this. The way you're doing video, your content,
I don't like it.
You can maybe.
Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, so I say why?
I don't like there's a way you can do it. At least improve it.
Yeah,
and then I appreciate. You know. Yeah, that's what matters. And also, yeah, that's the same thing as the way you visited me and came to give me condolence, and also we push together. That's also what matters a lot, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's brotherhood. It's not about you what you're doing, not what you're doing, but how do we help each other? It's a hand that helps, eh? Yes. And thank you so much. When you told me that you're coming, you know, you call me. Some people they just meet you and they put camera on your phone, like on your face, or you're like,
exactly. Yeah.
you know. So when you called me, you called me like 1 hour ago, and I was waiting for you. Like, okay.
Yeah, you know, I had Maria.
You want to give me a condolence?
Yeah, I had Maria,
Yeah.
a kid Maria.
Yeah.
So my mom was not at home. And the helper was also the house manager was not at home. So I had to stay with Maria.
Yeah.
So that's why I came late. I'm sorry for that.
No.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay because it's okay now that we are here. You know.
Yeah.
Yes, God has granted this small time so that at least talking is sharing is caring. You know. You coming here trying to share my condolence in your channel, I really also appreciate. You know. Yes, and yes, I lost my mom, as he has said. It was like 2 days ago, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it has been hard, but at the end of it, you come and realize that you appreciate, it's always God's plan. It's not
God knows
by accident.
Why. Yeah.
It's not by accident. What if we lost her when maybe I was still... Remember, I lost my dad when I was in class around 3.
Yeah.
What if maybe I could have lost her when I was in class 4. But now I'm a grown-up man.
Yeah, you struggled by yourself.
The Bushman.
See what Bushman is doing here.
Actually,
big house
God,
here.
I thank God.
Yeah.
I thank God because it's through God, and no one knows,
Yeah, no one knows.
But when God take his space and time, you appreciate that, So yeah, we are strong, and there's nothing you can do about that.
Yeah.
And what matters is that which friends now are we left with, because now we've lost one of our family, Are those friends that maybe we are just today and not tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, it's not about shout out and something. It's about tomorrow we'll be together. Like you can share, I have this project, or I have this, when I come I do this and that. And That's nice. That's brotherhood.
Yeah, that's brotherhood.
I feel like
And
we are family, you know.
Yeah.
A family is not about.
Let me tell you one thing. When you be with people who like you always talk to them.
Yeah.
You always get encouragement from them.
You're strong. You're a soldier.
Yeah, my soldier. Yeah, guys, I'm putting on
a soldier.
the boots here, and also see. Yeah, Balenciaga. Yeah, yeah, guys. Yeah, sometimes you can get funny. So you see now you are laughing because you have someone who is there
I'm
for
always
you.
Someone who is happy.
Yeah.
And also,
at a time like this, people maybe expect you to be like
so cold and so pissed off.
Yeah, you are crying. But now when you get friends, when you get a lot of friends who talk to you, yeah, you can laugh. Like, you forget all that
just
is happening.
Small things that the one that matters, you know.
Yeah, so guys, as he was saying,
you were saying, where was I?
I don't even
remember. It's good that we've break. We went a break.
Yeah, break, because of my battery.
Yeah, we also condolencing.
Yeah.
You went a break and then you had some few stories you were doing your battery.
Yeah.
But I don't know where we reached. I think you were talking about I mean, some people maybe are expecting me to be in a somber mood, and I can't be in a somber mood every time.
Yeah.
Like now, when will I rest? Even if I've been in a somber from morning to evening, I can't help the situation. It has already happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has already happened. So
yeah. Even if you cry all your tears.
Yeah, I know it's hard. It's painful. It's hard. It's hard. Like what I've been just thinking is like the other day the thought was coming is like, now imagine now after not burying now my mom, I'll never see her again. And I was like, okay, we'll meet there. We'll meet there. Yeah. Maybe I was like, one day we'll meet there. I know she was a nice mom. She was nice mom.
Very nice. Me, I was always I think guys, nice you can go and check my
you once took a video with her?
Yeah. When I was coming to your place.
Oh, I
met her there, and she was she was like, oh, you have lost, and I was greeting her when I was coming here. I don't know if you remember the last time I was here.
Or that day you came with
Vijay Jonah.
Oh, Vijay Jonah. Yeah, you've come here twice. You, Ben.
Yeah.
At first time.
Yeah. So the last time with Vijay Jonah, I met her there, and the good thing, she was remembering me, like
that's what I wanted to ask you.
She was remembering,
because sometimes it's long, we go town, we go there, we can grow together from, and then but it's separate.
People separate.
And then now if you cannot maybe sometimes visit.
Exactly, yes.
But
because maybe you are far.
She had a big memory then. She had a memory.
Yeah, very big memory.
But
and I greeted her.
She can never forget.
Yeah, I greeted her, and we talked a bit. I think the video is there.
Oh yeah, they can go and check. Actually.
Yeah, the video is there, and
she's a white mom.
Yeah, I was so happy. White mom. White mom, yeah. So she was very happy. We talked, and before I came to your place, I think you should go and revisit my videos. When I was
also
here.
I see that.
Yeah, you see that. So guys, also you can go and see the videos.
Go and see
revisit and see her mom. She was very nice, welcoming, and everything. And also I really appreciate, because he did a very big part raising you, of course, raising raising our brother here. A good friend of mine also. I have a very big role in this family. Very big one. So okay, maybe it will be weird for me to ask you this question.
Just ask.
Like, how do you feel right now? Like, you don't have now a mom, and
okay, I'll miss her because of her presence. You know, it's good because someone who have raised you. And you just want to see her like every day. Imagine now someone who have raised you. Maybe you are only with one mom, and we've been together,
single parent.
We started from when I was still young. I know the struggle up to this point. So, and God has done a lot. God has blessed, and I thank God that she has seen some, at least her sons,
Yeah.
at least, you know, have separated. Yeah, at least, you know, at least we can do this, can do 1, 2, 3. So I think she didn't die. Maybe regretting that, oh, who will take care of my kids? Who no, she know that we are very responsible, and mostly me. Yeah, I'm very responsible, and I'm the firstborn. So
yeah,
if
guys,
I'm responsible,
that is the main key.
Yeah, if I'm responsible, so which means I'll take care of what belongs to us. You know, that's the most role that parents do play. Like, I want to protect this one for my kids. I want this cow. I want to tame these kids for these cows for my kids. When they grow, maybe they use for school fees, or they'll have for no, even animals is just productive thing. Productive. Yeah, exactly. Now that she has raised us up to this point that I'm here, I'm laughing, and at least I can meet people in YouTube and do that, and go viral in the world. So what I can say, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy because it's God's purpose. You know, what if my mom didn't die when I was in class 2? I think I asked that question. So what I just miss is her princess.
Yeah, presence,
I mean, being there. The way I've explained, I think I've
being
exhausted.
there. You know, when you have someone who is taking care of you, you know, your mom. Like for me, my mom, we always talk. You know, she always wakes up in the morning, going to the shop. Yeah. But I will call her or she will call me. Yeah. Like, you miss that, like.
Yeah. You know, your mom used to call you like, where are you? Like, where are you? Or the food. You know, that's how mom died. Yeah. Where have you not eaten?
Yeah. Why have no? Yes.
You know, such kind of things. And again, now you don't have that person, and you cannot replace that person.
Yeah, exactly.
You know. Yeah. But I also understand that it's the same road that we are traveling. You know, in the same road, and
you know,
God's work has no haina makosa. Kazi ya Mungu haina makosa.
Kazi ya Mungu haina makosa. That is God's work has no mistakes.
Yeah, mistakes, or let's say put that.
Let's put that mistakes. Yeah, you guys can tell us down the comment section what that means. Like, kazi ya Mungu haina
makosa. Yeah. So the same to the Mungu. Mungu is God. The same God is the one who is giving me energy. And I believe also those are my siblings, or my siblings are not as young, my sisters and all my brothers. Yeah, I'm praying for them so that they become strong and they have that power of God inside them, that mom has gone a nice place, and she's resting, you know. She's resting. I know I'll miss her because she called me when she was in the hospital. Like, she sent someone, go call me, you know, and I went there and asked, what do you want? Like, fruits. I know someone is sick. I tried to do that, 1, 2, 3. You know, there is a process we went through, me and her. Like, you know, sitting with someone is sick, and she's talking to maybe 2 words. You know, someone is sick, 2 words, 3 words.
2 words.
Yeah, 3 words.
Yeah.
You know,
maybe saying blessings like, for you.
Yeah, no, yeah. She might bless you even. You know, when someone realize when someone is dying. Who did you hear that when someone dies tell you, I'm going to die? No. And I think I know the answer, because the God who takes the heart. Why does not someone tell you, now I'm going to die, do this and this? Someone will not even tell you. Yeah. Some maybe will tell you that I blessed you, or some, you know, some will tell you, oh, there is something crucial. Maybe he tell you this and that, you know, such kind of things. But yeah, I was there with her, and 2 words, 3 words, that's enough. So I still remember 2 words, 3 words. Yeah, so anyway, I'm glad that I was there until when she left us. You know, so it's a good thing. What if maybe I was not there? You know, sometimes you may think also that
maybe you are very far and you come and say, oh.
Yeah.
Like, but anyway,
it's good to see how someone was getting sick, like your mom, how is getting sick, like, you know. So you involve yourself inside her heart, because you might be praying also alongside. Please heal, you know. There's the energy that you're giving, and there's some energy, so it's something good. At least she had some energy. Know that, you know, she know that to go in memory to die, and she remembered, when were we together? 10 years ago. anyway, it's a good feeling. Me, I'm just happy, and because I know where she is. She's in a nice place.
Yeah.
Perfectly, and I think it's good that she rests. Yeah, because she has been with that sickness. You say that is not the first time that abrupt. She has been with that sickness, coming healing, and then precautions.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah. So guys, this is Bushman dude. You can go check him out.
I think I've
also
exhausted everything that I wanted to say.
Yeah. So apart from the
even exhausted, you feel
yeah. So this is, go check him out, guys. Support him in any way that you can. He has just lost his mother.
Yeah.
And you can see he's very strong. And yeah, I believe some people who who lose their maybe parents,
yeah,
there are some people who are very like low.
They
and,
understand.
Yeah. But for you, you're very strong. And
Yeah.
because
No,
I really believe
anyone can
understanding, understanding like this is a journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, here in like the world is a journey that you are just passing.
And also,
you'll never know tomorrow.
It has happened.
Yeah.
So you
And
can't change what has happened already.
Yeah.
So
and
what you do is just pray, and if you know, you understand, the word of God just give you energy to keep on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, and our village also this time round, I don't know what is happening, but we have a lot of like
people dying,
tragedy.
Oh, tragedy. But there's that story I heard at Nyabanse.
Yeah, we have also a friend here in the village. Also, he lost his sister. Yeah, but we are all together, Yeah,
we are together.
We are together, and never someone lie to you like we are not together. We are together. Something like this is very hard for someone like my brother here. Is very hard. To
accommodate. I mean.
So accept, we really need to be together to help where we can, because you never know tomorrow if it's somewhere else. No,
like you know what I can say. Me, even bro, even if tomorrow like maybe might not reach you, they say that giving is the heart.
Yeah,
the heart
giving
that gives,
is the heart,
and the heart when it gives, and also when you give, don't expect in return. So it's not about So it's the heart that gives. So if maybe what you wanted to say, maybe someone maybe want to contribute, of course. We need a lot, food and blah blah, transport, because the body is still in the how do you call it, mortuary or preservation?
Mortuary or morgue.
Yeah, so that will help. So that will really help, and that will be sharing. Yeah, exactly. And I appreciate. And even if I don't know you, how does the spirit work?
Yeah, it works in very different ways.
I was in a road, but I didn't film the bird.
Oh, yeah.
They always come. I like feeling.
Wow. See how this place is cool, guys. So
I like filming those birds, like.
Yeah, they are very nice, very nice. They come. The sign of a bird is like.
It's a good sign.
A very good sign.
Yeah.
Angel.
You didn't know who is passing there.
Yeah, maybe it's sent from.
Coming to see, like, I see you good, keep on that way.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, I want to encourage everyone out there who is going through a lot. Of course, even me, I'm going through a lot. In terms, let's leave now the part
something.
People go through a lot out there, and of course, other people will not show. Oh, we have another bird here. Chicken.
It's eating what? I was wondering what's that?
Chicken there. So you never know someone is going through what even okay, when he has not explained or told you anything. Me, I really believe in friends, because when I come and talk to friends, share, you can end up maybe telling your problems, and maybe it can be solved from your friends, one of your friends.
From that circle,
from that circle. So sometimes when you sit yourself, like I just want to be myself, you are hit up with depression.
No, you can't be yourself. No one can be yourself.
Yeah.
No
So
day.
that's why
There's
I'm
one
saying.
day that we can't know everything.
Yeah. Hey, these are called Tom.
Masiafu.
This
Oh,
is
blackjack.
blackjack.
There are so many here.
Yeah.
See?
And you know my jacket is very.
There are so many blackjack here. Let me show you.
Yeah,
they're even here. So if you're not careful,
yes,
this is the blackjack. Can you see?
Yeah.
See, they have to remain.
So when you go to the shamba, especially me, my boots here.
And when you go to the shamba, you see like your clothes. No, these jeans are better jeans, but wool or cotton. Yeah. They like attracting that, or silk. Yeah, exactly. Because it's soft to get.
Yeah. So I was saying we were at like being with people, or rather friends. You will never get depression because you talk to them. They advise you, you advise them, then you get one advice, you get one which is good.
Yeah, caring is sharing.
Yeah, caring
and
is
sharing. Is caring. Which one comes first?
It's not a must like we meet, then I have to buy you something, or I want to make. Yeah, that, no. We just meet, sharing, we talk like the way we are talking right here. You know, you say right now, you know, you are cool.
Yeah, I'm cool.
You have
pressure.
Yeah, pressure.
No, yeah. I have there's a lot of things going there.
Yeah,
a lot of home is there.
Yeah.
You know, they're wondering like, okay, we are still home. It's not a must that.
Yeah. All of this is their home. Their house.
I migrated.
And up there, you migrated.
I migrated.
Yeah, you know, when you grow up, you have to migrate.
You have to migrate,
especially if you're not
the firstborn also.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You're the firstborn.
So you want me? I cannot stay there, and I'm waiting for my younger brother
to migrate. It will never happen.
And then me now, like, come later.
Yeah, but that is our culture. Like when you are maybe a firstborn.
Yeah, you have to.
You have to.
At least even show the good example. I think it's also a good example.
Exactly. Yeah. But in our culture also, the last ones remain
there. Yeah. That's your home.
Yeah, that is home. So it was a good thing for you to
I did that.
Make your place here, and it's very beautiful, guys. If you come to Africa, visit this place, Bushman
come
Dude.
Visit us. It's all green.
Yeah, exactly.
Once you've reached at Maja,
exactly.
You've already reached here, so you're free to come. Exactly. I mean, you share this brotherhood, and I also like I like watching you and Maja, and we had planning with Maja. I visited Maja, and I say I had to come and say hi. You know, that's a good thing because we share. You've remembered
exactly,
you know,
and if also love. And if also. You can't reach maybe Bushman Dude's place, you can reach at me.
Yeah.
If you reach out to me, you're already there.
Yeah.
And if you reach out to Bushman Dude, if you are his subscriber, you're already there to me. You're ready to Nasto's place, which is
like we share, like
over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So